So, kadali lang ha. Just wait. So, good evening. Good evening, class. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we shall start, no? Sa Padlet ninyo, if na may questions na lahi dara ang row or lahi dara nga part nga you can ask related sa tuang discussion karon. Tapos ang isa is general questions, no? Bahalag dili related sa tong topic. Bisag na lang mo'y question or na ba mo'y ma-ask. So, kinsa gali class rep or kinsa any class reps of the two sections? Can you please raise your hand? Okay, so Angelica, no, I'll kuan you to prioritize sa na ako para makakuan manggug ko pag magsigi kog so ni prioritize. Ano di man ko maka-assign. Wait ha. Angelica. Wait, pata. Okay, Angelica, giadti ka as co-host. Palihog na lang kog accept. No, if na mo sulod, bisag kinsa pang accept lang kay ma-distract ko if magsige kog altab. So let's start. Para sa ito man, sorry no, I don't know what happened with my camera. Dili na ko ma-turn on akong cam, so wala lang sa tay cam karon. So class, today we're gonna discuss about chapter 3, which is about total hydrostatic force on surfaces. So basically, yun sa'y pasabot ani, if the pressure over a plane area is uniform, as in the case of a horizontal surface submerged in liquid, or a plane surface inside a gas chamber, the total hydrostatic force, the total hydrostatic force is given by the formula force is equals to PCG times area, or force is equals to pressure times area, because as you know, pressure is equals to force over area. So when we're trying to get force, so mora ni ang maresult. So this is a common joke sa board exam, no? If you're trying to take board exam soon, ang uban daw mag-take sila sa hydraulics and geotechnical engineering, kanira nga formula lang dala. And I don't think no nga dali pa sa ron nga kanira imong formula dala, pero more problems or most of the problems nga gagawas ang trend kibali no, is related ani or sulod ani nga topic. So that is why this formula is very important. So mm, excuse me. F stands for resultant force, of course. Tapos PCG is pressure at the center of the gravity. What do we mean by pressure at the center of the gravity? So basically, if ibutang ta natay liquid diri, natay isa ka object diri, butang tag square, no? Pressure at the center of gravity. Asa man ang center of gravity sa square? Of course, it's in ibutang tag 4 meters ni. So of course, nasa 2 meters. So mao na ang imong pangitaon nga distance, no? Pressure dara nga distance. So mo ng PCG. A of course is area affected by the liquid. So unsa man na dili ang whole liquid no? Wait, excuse me class. Kay nakamulo po ko klase sa masteral no kadali lang. Okay, okay class, let's continue no. Sorry for that quick interruption. Uh So kana area affected by the liquid, pasabot ana is dili ang kibali area or ang volume sa liquid ha. Area affected by the liquid kani nga topic class is kibali mura bitaw nato ginakuha ang pressure sa isa ka object nga naa ilalom sa liquid. So ibutang tag example natay square or rectangular box no nga naa sa submerged in liquid, at whatever depth makalculate na to ang force nga gina-apply ana sa uh, liquid padulong dagto sa object. So kibali maoning siya nga topic. So example katong Ocean Gate no mao mo gito akong dali ma example kay ilalom gid sila sa tubig ang taas man kay ang pressure dagto. Katong last is makompute na to ang pressure at a specific depth dagto sa ocean kung asa sila. While ang force is given nga makuha na to ang area no, area sa surface, example sa ilang submarine, makuha na to or masolve na to ang force nga gina-exert sa liquid ato nga depth sa object. So kana. So that's the difference between the two. Location of the force from the center of gravity. So that is what we call eccentricity. So example of this, medyo lisod no, pero naka-inclined manggod pero akong ibutang tag natay. No, we have this rectangular prism. So of course, asa man ang center of gravity? Nasa tunga. So na diri sa tunga ang center of gravity, but the center of pressure or kung asa gaak ang force class is wala siya sa center of gravity. Naa siya sa atong ginatawag nga center of pressure nga which is always, I repeat, always ubos ni center of gravity. So sa center of pressure na siya dire. So kibali na siya dara tapos ang force is dara gaak kay nawala. dara gaak kay center of pressure. And the distance between center of gravity and center of pressure is what we call the eccentricity. So mao ni ang E. E is equals to I, or inertia over area y bar. And also your y bar is equals to h bar over sine theta. So sa pasabot ani, I of course is the moment of inertia, A is area, y bar is the location of center of gravity parallel to the plane. What does this mean? So example, gahigda pare ani. Gahigda imong object no. Ang iyang y bar is kani. Gahigda man siya. So ang distance padulong sa eccentricity ra na taman. Eccentricity gikan sa taas nga naka-inclined. Pero ang h bar is the location of the center gravity respecting the true vertical. So unsay pasabot ana, naghigda pa na or nag-straight, ang imong i-consider gyud from the top of your liquid surface padulong sa iyang center of gravity ang vertical ra gyud, or ang straight ra gyud kayo no. Inani. So true vertical mo nang ginatawag. Mo na ang difference ni y bar ug ni h bar. But if straight ra gyud ang object, example pareha ni, your y bar is equals to your h bar. Ngano man? Because same ra man siya no, ang y bar is the distance gikan sa top padulong sa imong center of gravity respecting the parallel to the plane. Pero if straight ra siya, unsa man sa parallel, so straight ra man gyapon siya, so murag mao ra gyapon siya padulong sa imong true vertical. So I know medyo confusing pero sige lang. We'll have more examples later para ato gining ma-tackle. So please ready your calculators kay magpatabang kog solve ha. Thank you. Okay. Let's continue. Properties of common plane section. So kindly take a screenshot or picture no. The important here is kaniya tong madumduman no. For rectangle, yang moment of inertia of course is kanyo respect to g of x is equals to bh cube over 36, while rectangle is or gani bd cube over 12. Atong dumduman lang, rectangle is over 12, triangle is over 36, and circle is over 64, no? And the other is importante ma-memorize gapon ninyo, pero most common sections are triangle, rectangle, and also circle. So naiuban diri quarter circle and also napay other dagto no. Kindly check the book, and also you can research the internet the different shortcut formulas for moment of inertia of different shapes. Pero sa ato ang permi gamiton is triangle, rectangle, and also circle. Sometimes quarter circle. So I guess let's try solving na, no? So I guess no questions so far. So let's continue. Para dito mo man. A vertical rectangular plane of height 5 meters and base 3 meters is submerged in a liquid with its top edge at the water surface. Okay, bali ang top edge daw na sa water surface. Determine the total force acting on one side and its location from the liquid surface. So kubali drawing tanin am daw sa top edge na tay water diri. Naatay rectangular daw diri nga object. Tantana no? Nadentay height nga 5 meters, so this is 5 meters, natay base nga 3 meters. So height is equals to 5 meters, or depth base is equals to 3 meters. So let's try solving the first question. Determine the total force acting on one side. F is equals to, again, PCG area. So, nawala ko mouse. Okay. F is equals to PCG. So, pressure at the center of gravity. So, asa man center sa rectangle? Naa diri sa tunga. So, that is between half of 5. So, 9.81 multiplied by 2.5 multiplied by the area, which is 3 times 5. Na? 3 times 5. Laman. Dapat natin makalkulaan. Ito. Ay. Okay. Pareha ba mo? O, be? 367.875. Thank you, no? Thank you for participating. I really appreciate kaysa online di man gud nako makita if kinsa ang gapaminaw, kinsa pod ang wala. So, that just depends on you, no? 367.865. 0.865.
875, sir.
Ay, 875 deh. Ay, gagi. 875 newtons, no? Kilonewtons data na. Sa kay nanawag na sad. So this is in kilonewton. Sorry for that delay class. So this is the force. Now, determine the total force acting on one side and its location from the liquid surface. Again, location from the liquid surface is dagto na siya, no? Ginakalculate na nato gikan sa center of pressure. So we know nga naa diri ang center of gravity but the center of pressure is below that, no? So naa diri tas dara nag-act ang force. Tapos pag naa siya dara, so of course i-consider nato ang eccentricity plus 2.5 makuha na din nato, no? Ang total H bar. Ano, not H bar. H bar is tama naman na sa center of gravity. Let's label it as H S. Gikan sa surface, no? So that would be 2.5 plus eccentricity. Asa man ko ni nakuha? Walay formula ani ha. It's based on analyzation sa problem. 2.5 gikan sa taas padulong sa center of gravity plus eccentricity, so mabot na ka sa center of pressure. So let's try solving. Eccentricity is equals to I over area y bar. So eccentricity is equals to moment of inertia, which is BD cube over 12 over area, which is 3 times 5. Y bar is equals to H bar because vertical raman so 2.5. So E is equals to BD, which is 3, 5 cube 12 over 3 times 5 is 2.5. Centricity is equals to 0.083. 0.083 meters. Let me check
0.83 that is, sir.
0.83 ra. Thank you. Eh. 0.83 meters. So, if that is the eccentricity, automatic, no? Mo na siya ang distance gikan sa center of gravity padulong sa center of pressure. So, makuha na din nato si location from the, which is 2.5 plus 0.83. Location from the surface is 2.5 plus 0.83. That is 3.33 meters. So that is your second answer. Okay? So screenshot or copy no, I'll give you 1 minute para to. Ay. So thank you, thank you. Thank you, Ernan. Thank you, Angelica. Thank you, Miss Grace. Thank you, Marian, no, for participating. Sa nag-ask sa Padlet, yes, I will send a PowerPoint no after our class. Kay kuan rata sa plane surfaces rata, I will do a recording on the curved surfaces. Pero ang appeal sa ato ang quiz is taman sa curved, no? Isa ra mo gani siya ka topic. So I'll try to record the curved surfaces later. Tapos I guess if mauman ako, I'll send the plate this day gyapon, no? So you have more time to study, more time to familiarize the problems or familiarize in solving. I guess that's enough time. Let's continue. A vertical triangular plane of height 5 meter and base 3 meter is submerged in a liquid with its top edge vertex at the edge of the surface. Ay, at the water surface. So, amo ng vertex in a triangle. I hope you know this is the vertex, no? Kana iyahang tumoy-tumoy. So, you need to remember your geometry here. Although sayon ra siya, pero ang center of gravity, no? So you have a triangle daw kuno with height 5 meters, base 3 meters gyapon. Determine the total force acting on one side and its location from the liquid surface. So same ra gyapon, no? 5 meters, 3 meters, so we know here. So force is equals to PCG area. Force is equals to pressure at the center of gravity. So center of gravity sa shape sa triangle is not directly sa tunga or 5 divided by 2. Dili, no? So, sa tanan shapes or sa atong tulo ka shapes nga gina-solve, which is circular, rectangular, and also triangular, and triangular ra ang lahi. So, since naadiri mong vertex, I hope dili na kay ko ni thorough explain. I hope remember ninyo kana nga distance that is 2/3. 2/3 of your height, no? So, kuan ra na, either 2/3 or 1/3, depende asa ka nga ga-face. If inana ang porma sa imo, example, butang tayo nani. So ang center of gravity ana is nasa 1/3. Pag inani, 2/3. So 9.81 multiplied by 2/3 sa 5 multiplied by area, which is 1/2, base times height. So 5 times 3. And that would give you an force equal to Tikoy, 245.25. 245.25 kilo newtons, no? Thank you. Now, let's solve sa eccentricity. Eccentricity is equals to moment of inertia over area y bar. Now, anak ko, 12, 32, and 64. So, mora na ato ang dumduman. I know, 12, 32. 36 days, sorry. 12, 36, and 64. So, pag recta, triangular, 36. So, I should be, let me erase this. This is 12. So, this is 3, 5 cube over 36 over area nga 1/2, 5 times 3 over y bar, which is 2/3 of 5. E is equals to, sa man, 0.42. Wow, pasa mong kalkyo ba? 0.42 meters. So, of course, from the surface daw, ato ang kuana na is h to the surface is 2/3 of 5 plus 0.42, And that should give us HS is equals to naman 3.753. Thank you, Franz. Thank you, Harley. 3.753 meters. So, kana. Mao na ang atuang final answer to take a look, analyze. If you have questions, also I'll give you another minute to internalize and also signa mo ma-ask.
Excuse me, sir, na question, sir.
Yes, yes.
Ang pasabot lang ana, sir, if ingon nga force acting on one side kay gikan pasabot lang ana kay gikan sa center of pressure, sir. Mo lang ginapasabot ana.
No, ang pasabot lang ana kay kato pila lang gyud ang force. Either
Ay, okay, sir.
pila lang gyud ang force. So dili na mag-matter if one side or two sides, no? So kibali at kay if two sides, of course, naigaak nga pressure ay naigaak nga force diri naman pud sa pika. So kibali iyara ng palibog-libog. So parehara na siya sa determine the total force.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
No problem. Dawbi kung hiwi ang triangle, okay. Unya na tana problemahon, no? I have an example nga inana. So also, I hope you still remember how to do moment, ha? Kay mag-moment ta ni later. So, okay, I guess wala question kay mga sayon pa man nga mga examples. So, let's try to continue. Karon is anak ko ganina rectangular, triangular, and lastly circle. So, same ra do with a radius of 3 meters daw ko no. Circular. Kana is bro maglain dire na lang sige. This is 3 meters, no? So 3 meters ang radius daw ko no. So determine the total force acting on one side. Basic ra kani. F is equals to PCG area. So F is equals to 9.81 multiplied by, of course, 3 meters. Then pi over 4, 6 squared. So naanad ko ani nga formula no? You can also use pi r squared or pi over 4 d squared. So pag-review man gud ang ilahan ng ginakuan sa mo is pi over 4 d squared, which is di ba naandan ta sugod elementary is pi r squared. So either of the two you can use pi r squared or pi d squared. So of course if you use d, you'll use the whole diameter. If you use r, of course that's the radius. So F is equals to sa akin murag naman na mong klase. Okay, pila man eh? 832.114 abdi ka. 8 Okay, now eccentricity. Ay, basic ra kang eccentricity, no? Over area y bar. So, diri na din sa I na pod. I don't know pila ang radius. Basta ako nabalaan is ang sa diameter is pi over 64 d to the fourth, no? This is the formula for I. Area dayon ana is of course pi over 4 d squared multiplied by the h bar which is 3. So pila ang centricity palihog ko. .75. Okay, thank you. So 0.75 meters. Of course, your location to the surface is 3 plus 0.75, that's 3.75 meters. So, basic ra basic. I'll give you 1 minute again to internalize. So if you have questions ka maula mo, no, we also have a Padlet para dara mo maka-ask. Okay, let's continue. Murag, dali ra daw ni. A vertical rectangular gate, 1.5 meter wide, 3 meter high, is submerged in water with its top edge 2 meter below the water surface. Determine the total force acting on one side and its location from the bottom. Again, from the bottom, dili na surface ha. So please be careful pag mag-solve mo. Kaya ba, sige nyo. Solve is... So this is 3 meters, this is 1.5. F equals 9.81. Shortcut na ko. F is equals to PCG area 9.81 times center of gravity. This is 2 meters. No, dire. This is 2 meters. So, wala naman klase. Okay, so that is 2 meters plus 1.5. Ngano 1.5? Tunga sa 3. So 2 plus 1.5, that is 3.5 multiplied by the area, which is 3 times 1.5. Ang sa, no, sa object. So that will give you, calcu, 154.51 kilonewtons. Okay. Okay, no? While eccentricity is, of course, I over y bar na yan. Ako na lang ikon. A over y bar. Area y bar. So, I is rectangular. So, over 12. BD cube over 12 over area, which is, of course, 3 times 1.5. Y bar is 3.5. Okay, calcu. 0. Update kay. 0. So, si Criselda. 0.214 kanta ni part meters. So, location from the bottom. Again, analyzation rani, walay formula ha. So, from the bottom, this is the center of gravity. This is the center of pressure. So, ang ginapangita is the distance between center of pressure and sa ubos. So, that would be saan man. That would be location is bottom is equals to 1.5 minus 0.214. And that would give us, bottom. Ilaman. 1.286 meters. Sir, anong 1.5? Okay, let's analyze. 1.5 ni diri sa tunga. Minusan nimo og eccentricity nga atong nakuha, which is 0.214. Ang mabilin is kanina lang sa ubos, and that would give us 1.286 meters or 1.3. Yeah. So, pero og mag-solve tani, minimum siguro no 2 decimal places. Kay example 1.3, 0.12 ang medyo dako siya diferensya no sa 286. So, let's try to use 2 decimal places. So, I'll give you another time to reflect na po, no? Gi-plus lagi ganina, sir, sa pagkuha. Ganina, look, determine the total and its location from the bottom karon. Ang ganina, location from the surface. So, mo nang diferensya. Ganina, padulong sa surface sa water. Karon is sa bottom sa imuhang shape. So, mo nang difference. No? Mo nang gi-minus na to karon. Ganina gi-plus, of course, kay padulong man ta sa taas. Gigi. Nice. Mhm. Sa Okay, let's continue. A vertical triangular gate. Kani. Isa. The vertical triangular gate with top base horizontal and 1.5 meter wide and 3 meters high is submerged in oil. Now, oil na. Having a specific gravity of 0.82 with its top base submerged to a depth of 2 meters. Determine the total force acting on one side and its location from the bottom. So, again, let's try to first draw, no, para ma-visualize ninyo. Tanaw mo? Vertical triangular gate with top base horizontal. So, pasabot, top base horizontal. Gana siya. Pabalik. Wow. And 1.5 meter wide. So, this is 1.5 meter and 3 meters high. It is submerged in oil having a specific gravity of 0.82 with its top base submerged to a depth of 2 meters. So this is submerged 2 meters. Determine the total force acting on one side and its location from the bottom. So F is equals to PCG area. Center of gravity ana na diri dapit. So F is equals to 9.81 multiplied by the specific gravity of the liquid, no? Ganina wala ko nag-multiply because it's just water. Karon is oil naman, so lahi na. It's a different circumstance. So 9.81 multiplied by center of gravity location. So that's 2 meters plus 1/3 of 3 meters. Or that is 1. So, area is equals to 1/2 1.5 by 3 meters. That would give you F is equals to force is equals to 54.3. Mali? Ito ba? 54.3 kilo Newton. So, 298. Okay na. 54.3 kilonewtons. Now, its location from the bottom. Again, bottom na sad. So, first, let's get eccentricity. So, that is, ako na i-shortcut base, which is 1.5. Depth is equals to 3 meters. Cube over 36. Again, 12, 36, 64. Area, which is 1/2 1.5 by 3. And next is y bar, that is 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1, because 1/3 of 3 is 1. So eccentricity is equals to eccentricity. Aptan di ka tagi sa oras kapin babi kog dali ra. Medyo dagan pag ito 0.167 or 17. Let's just use 167, no? 167. So that is the eccentricity padulong sa center of pressure. Now, Karon yang gi-ask is location from the bottom. So H is equals to excuse 2/3 of 3 minus 0.167. HB is equals to, nganong 2/3, no? The distance between the bottom and the center of gravity, that is 2/3. So if dirita sa taas, sa base tagikan, that is 1/3. Sa vertex tagikan, that is 2/3. So gikan man ta sa bottom, so that is 2/3 of 3, which would give you 6 divided by 3, that is 2. 2 minus 0.167 and 1.83. 1.83 meters. So, questions.
Sir, dito lang dungan ganyan sir kanang ano kay 2/3 sir?
Ang location sa bottom, no? Bottom padulong sa center of gravity. Basta vertex gali, no? In triangles, inyo na memorization. Finana, center of gravity ani from the bottom. Basta inani ang orientation, naman na diri ang center of gravity. So that is 1/3. Pag padulong na po ka sa taas, diri na po di mo i-consider, that is 2/3. Pero if nagpabali na po siya, diri naman na ang center of gravity, ang padulong sa surface, that is 1/3. Ang kanina pong sa ubos, that is 2/3. No? So kung asa na layo ang center of gravity mo na ang 2/3. Pareha niyo? So inana ra na ninyo
Okay, sir.
pag-determine.
Thank you sir.
No problem. I know sa uban medyo confusing pa na. Just please review your geometry, no? And also so katawa, no? I hope kadumdum pa mo later kay mag undergo ta na. So I'll give you another minute to discuss or I mean to internalize. Okay. Let's continue. A vertical rectangular plate is submerged half in oil of 0.8 and half in water such that its top edge is flush with the oil surface. What is the ratio of the force exerted by the water acting on the lower half to that by oil acting on the upper half? So para inani mas dali, we can assume dimensions. Kini mong gidya more on theory. So pasabot daw niya natay rectangular plate submerge in half daw sa oil. Butang ta na diri. Bali diri butang ta oil. This is water. Such that its top edge is flush with the oil surface. What is the ratio of the force exerted by water acting on the lower half to that by oil acting on the upper half? So, let's assume para dali ra na to ma-solve, no? Let's assume this is 3 meters and ano, kanarang gagmay para. Let's assume this is 2 meters. This is 4 meters. So how do you do this? So in solving this, let's get the pressure sa oil nga side, no? Pinakauna. I mean force. Force oil is equals to 9.81 multiplied by 0.8 multiplied by the center of gravity, which is, if oil mo i-consider, no? Diri ra tama ng oil. So ang center of gravity sa oil is wala sa tunga. Kung dili naa sa tunga, kung asa ra pod dapit ang oil. So naara pod na siya diri. So that is 4 divided by 2 naka sa tunga and i-divide na po ni mog 2 para maabot ka sa tunga sa oil, and that would be 1 meter. So 1 meter multiplied by the area affected by the oil only also. So that is 2 multiplied by 2, no? Diri lang, oh. Kaning diri lang affected sa oil rapod. So the force in oil is equals to how much? $31.39. So 31.39 0.39 kilonewton. Now, let's try getting the force water, which is 9.81 multiplied by the specific gravity, which is also 1. So, yun na nakabutang. Multiplied by the center of gravity, kung asa man siya. Again, water, dire affected sa water. So, this is 2 meters. This is 2 meters dire, no? So, asa man ang tunga sa water, so naa dire. So, that is 2 plus tunga. So, that is 3. Okay, I hope you understand. Affected ra po din sa water, which is 2 times 2. Force water is equals to pila? 117.72 kilonewton. Now, ratio daw gipangita. So, just divide the force of water, force of water, force of oil. So, that is 117.72 over 31.39. And that would give you 3.75. If I'm not mistaken, just check the ratio if 3.75 ba. 3.75. So, that is ratio, no? Binigyan pa na to i-solve nga wala tayo i-assume nga value. You can just use 9.81 times BD squared. Mas padali ra gyapon siya, pero mas dali man gud mapa-illustrate or mapakita na to ang concept, no, gyud sa pag-apply. So, analyze, then basig na may mas. Sir, about sa pag-solving na mo dawat kag 3 decimals kay mao anad na ko, sir, either 3 to 4 decimals. Of course, no problem sa ko. Pero ang kuan bitaw nako para maanad na pud mo sa board exam, don't round off your answer until your final answer. I mean, don't round off sa inyong solution. So example, ibutang ta inyong solution mo gawas 3.75867 taas kayo. Ayaw i-round off. So just store that. Tapos sa final answer na lang din mo mag round off. Kay inana sa board exam na usahay choices no nga kuan. And also, this question bitaw ko na itong gisolve karon. This is a board exam question. So, dili ra gyud ilang panghadlok nga grabe gyud kalisod ang board exam. It's not that hard, no? Kuan lang gyud nga kanang sabay lang gyud tanan nga subjects, math, hydraulics, and also structural man ang usay magbaylo-baylo na yung formula. Again, this problem is a board exam problem. I forgot the year unsa ni gawas. Pero nigawas ni siya sa board exam. Oh, na kay 1 point.
Sir, kanang ano ginawa ang nasa oil, sir, kay medyo libog daw nga part.
Tunga, no? So, asa man tama ng oil? 4 man ang total sa rectangular. Aman tama ng oil is nara man sa tunga, half-half man daw siya. So, kibali, nasa tunga. So, kabalo ka 2 meters ra ang gikan sa surface padulong sa tunga. So, 2 meters ang occupied sa oil. Now, force is equals to PCG or pressure at the center of gravity. So, center of gravity sa oil is of course nasa 2 divided by 2. Kaya nga divided by 2, ikibali imong gi-half, no? Imong gi-half. So, ang center ni ana is naara sa tunga dara sa oil. So, 2 divided by 2, that is 1. So, I hope medyo na-clear things out.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Na lang kog medyo libog yun.
Sir, kanang ano na 3 gani ni sir kaning sa force sa water, sir?
Oh, kuha na pod. 2, di ba, gikan sa surface padulong sa tunga is 2 meters na daan. Kibali asa tama ng oil 2 meters. Plus tunga na pod, no? Tunga na pod sa 2 meters kay ang water na pod. So pila may tunga sa 2 meters, that is 1. So 2 plus 1 kibali 2 draw, no? 2 nga diri gikan sa oil, which is this is 2 meters. 1 meter, no, gikan sa surface kung tama ng oil padulong sa center of gravity sa water. So mo ng 2 plus 1, that resulted to 3 meters. So always good nga bisag asa ang or bisag unsa ang liquid nagid sa center of gravity or sa tunga. So if inani oil, dagtura pud sa tunga sa oil. If sa water, dagtura pud tunga sa water, no?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
No problem. Okay. Any questions, clarifications, violent reactions? Again, mag-quiz study Saturday ha. So, please be ready. So, let's continue. Tara, medyo confusing kay medyo taas. Lahi ra bang uban din nga mga estudyante basta taas lang question, lisod na daw kayo. Wala pa gibasa, no? Nanagyan ko sa una. So, basta taas ang question, lisod na. Pero if gibasa lang, no, this is very common sa board exam. Sa math lang noon nga subject, no, sa math. Taas kayo ang question, murag 2 paragraph, 1 point ra na ha kay ang math na to class is 1 points ra na 1 points. 1 point tanan question. So wala siya per situational item. Unsay pasabot sa situational item? Example, inani, tulo ka buk ang gipangita. Example katong force, center of gravity, eccentricity kana isa-isa 3 points. So same ra siya question. Ang sa math is unique, no, kada point. So mo nang taas kayo 2 paragraph ang sentence, gipangutana ra day kag 1 plus 1 pero wala nimong gibasa. Kani, a 1 meter square plane surface is to be placed vertically. Be placed vertically below the water surface. The immersion is such that 2 edges of the square are horizontal if it is desired that the center of pressure be 50 meters from the center of gravity. So, unsa man ang pasabot? Ang pasabot is ang eccentricity daw. 50 mm or eccentricity is 0.05 meters. From the center of gravity of the plane area, how far below the water should the center of gravity of the immersed water be? In this position, what is the total pressure acting upon it? Oh, so pabali na po daw. So, in try solving this, na kay water dara or na kay surface, na daw kay square plane. Na kay square plane nga 1 meter by 1 meter. So this is 1 meter, this is 1 meter. Of course, square. So unknown daw iyang distance gikan diri sa taas. Question mark. Mao na atong ginapangita. Unsa daw ang location ana or ang h bar? Tibali h bar value question mark. And ang isa ka pangutana is pila daw ang force. Basta dara located ang what do you call this? Dara located ang ato ang center of gravity. So naman ta eccentricity, so pabali ang atong approach. We know the formula of eccentricity is equals to E is equals to inertia over area y bar. So may unknown na to ani is just y bar. Naman tay inertia because naman tay dimensions ni shape. Natay area, of course, natay dimensions, natay eccentricity which is given. So 0.05 is equals to inertia which is 1 multiply 1 to the fourth or okay, kuan mo no? 1 times 1 to the power of third, so 1 to the fourth divided by 12 over area which is 1 by 1 multiplied by y bar which is unknown. So pila man? Y bar is equals to shift solve. Insa may paspas og kalkyo 1.67. Dali ay. 1.67. So we know from the surface to the center of gravity that is 1.67 meters daw kuno. So naa naman kay location sa imong center of gravity karon ma-solve na nimo diretso ang force. How? Because force is just equals to PCG multiplied by area which is F is of course equal to 9.81 multiplied by 1.67 multiplied by the area which is 1 by 1. And F will give you how much? $16.38. So, anara. 16.38. Am I too fast? Just please ask, no? Basig, medyo libog kay pabali ang approach. Pero, gibali ra gid mo. So, dapat masabtan gid ninyo ang concept. Okay, 1 minute again. Yun lang. Mhm. Okay, let's continue solving. Kani ang next nga example, I can say medyo di gud grabe ka lisod pero medyo lisod slight. Kani magamit na to no murag kuan na gid ni ganina more on theory karon ma-apply na gid nato sa real world scenario. So in the figure shown, stop B or kaning nay murag stopper daw diri no. This is all water will break if the force on it reaches 40 kilonewtons. Find the critical water depth. So unsa daw kalahom ang para dili siya mo break or kibali iyahang limit before siya mo break or yang maximum capacity no, maximum depth para dili siya mo break. So balin-balin akong slides. The length of the gate perpendicular to the sketch is 1.5 meters. So, bali padagto daw. 1.5 meter daw na siya, no? That is 1.5 meters. So, let's write the given. So, you know, no? Nga naay ga-act diri nga force, which is the force nga gina-exert sa water, na apoy gina-act diri si B. Because, naman siya, 40 kilonewton nga force daw nga kaya niya ma-act. So if mag-moment ani, summation of moment along the hinge, you know, which is equals 0, clockwise or counterclockwise, that's the same. Clockwise positive, ay counterclockwise positive de. Sir Neri manggugo sa una. So naanad gyud mo counterclockwise. While kay Sir Ibanez sa una ilang gitudlo so clockwise. So nagbali-bali ra. Pero actually same ra gyapon siya result. Wala dili ga matter no. So counterclockwise positive. So that is butang, let's label this as force bottom, then force water. So force water is equals to force bottom, which is force water is equals to 50 multiplied by the moment arm, which is 1. Wala na ako na multiply. Ayan, force water is sorry. So tarungon na gyud nato, di na nako i-shortcut bali basing na malibog sa pag moment. So this is force water is counterclockwise, so that is positive, no? So if force water iyang moment arm padulong sa taas is the distance ni eccentricity plus iyang tunga, we can call it z lang sa no. So anong equals naman ko ni multiplied by z minus, ganong minus because this is clockwise, FB multiplied by 1 iyang moment arm. So di na kay ko ma-explain og moment kay third year na mo. Equals 0. So of course negative. So FW times Z is equals to FB. So FW Z is equals to pila tong force? 40. So that is 40. Now, sa unta ni pag-solve. Okay, find the critical water depth, the length of the gate. So now we can get the eccentricity pinakauna, no? eccentricity. Kay mao ra man nato ang naay given nga magamit because we can get the moment of inertia. We don't have the i-unknown lang sa nato si h, no? Pwede ra man nato i-unknown or si y bar is equals to h para ma-solve ra nato siya. Awaha. Let's try to do this. So 1.5 by 1. So imo ang 1 is 1.5 by 1 cube over 12 over area, which is 1.5 multiplied by 1 y bar, which is unknown. So in terms of y bar, ita pila man 1.5 times 1 cube or 1 over 12 over 1.5 times 1. So this is 1 over 12 h bar or y bar, or 1 over 12 y bar. Now, after makuha na nimo class, no? So, after nimo makuha, makabalo na ka nga z or the distance between sa imong hinge padulong sa imong force is equals to unsa man unsay tunga sa 1. So that is 0.5 plus the eccentricity, which is 1 over 12 h bar. Now, kabalo na ka sa z, makuha na din nimo siya, no? Makuha na nimo siya base diri sa i-input nimo sa formula. But first is kailangan pa din nato ko ang force sa water. So force sa water, that is 9.81 in terms of h, gyapon niya 9.81 multiplied by 1 multiplied by, this is the specific gravity, no, which is water, multiplied by h bar or the center of gravity distance, which is unknown, multiplied by 1.5 times 1. That would give you times 1.5 times 1. That would give us 14.715 h bar. Karon h bar nang din tanan nato nga unknown. So FW, that is kanyo i-input nato siya sa FW. Z is equals to FB. So FW nimo is 14.715 h bar multiplied by Z, which is 0.5 plus 1 over 12 h bar is equals to 40. So shift solve, you can get h bar. So pila man ang h bar? Wala, naman din nag-solve na. 14.72 or so. Pila man ang h bar? Shift solve. 0.04, 5.257. Again, check daw. 5. Pila ba yung value? 4. Hinay man kay mo shift solve ning kanon. Ay, kinsa na Casio dia. 5.27. 5.267. Bitaw class kani bitong kanon, hinay gani mo shift solve. Kailangan nimo i-rearrange. Oh, fuck. Pero unsa man mao man ang ipagamit sa board exam. Hinay bitaw kani siya mo shift solve. So magsalig ta sa naay Casio. 5 point samot na ginani nga naka-over ang naa diri ang ato ang ginapangita sa ubos na mabuntagan pa ka. Say mag-cancel pa gyud. Sige rag processing then cancel ba rin mo gawat. So h bar is equals to 5.27 meters. Now, yaman daw critical depth. So that is kailangan nato kwaon si eccentricity, no? I know. Wait, h bar is equals to wait. Dali lang class. Okay na. Pag-check na ko. Ano siya? Add nga 0.5. Hmm. Should be eccentricity. So Twelve 5.27. So it should equal to sayang H bar ani class is 5.27 meters. I don't know anong nag-add pa siya 0.5 subok nga. Kaning 5.27 is supposed to be the distance between there no padulong sa center of gravity. So that is the critical water. I know sakto day. Kaya ang gipasabot is critical water depth panday dili man day critical padulong sa na ko na-realize. Critical water depth, so pasabot kung unsa gid kalahuma ang tubig taman sa ubos. So ato ang H is equals to H bar plus day 0.5. Ngano ni? H bar is diri taman, no? From the top padulong sa imuha ang center of gravity. So this is H bar. Now, ang iyang mang pangutan na critical water depth, so taman gid sa ubos. So, kibali taman sa bottom. So, kaning H bar nimo is taman raman diri sa tunga, which is sa tunga sa 1 meter. So, this is 0.5, 0.5. So, para makabot kita sa bottom is mag-add tag 0.5. So, H bar plus 0.5, that is H is equals to 5.77 meters. Ready ay. Sorry. Okay, any questions? Kaya medyo libog yun eh. Questions?
Di na ta mag-solve sa E, sir?
Wala man gi-ask. Pero if gipangutan na, nga pilang eccentricity, na. So, para makasave ta sa time, kung sa gipangutan na, mura po datong kuhan. Pero if magkuha tag eccentricity, substitute na lang ninyo no? So 0.5 plus 1 over 12 H bar, which is H bar is equals to 5.27. So makuha ninyo ang value sa eccentricity. Pero since wala naman siya wala naman niya pangitaa, di na po na ito pangitaan. Okay. I'll give you may mga 2 minutes to digest kay medyo taas kayo na ang Yes, question.
Sir, ang E, sir, ba kay ngano nawa na ang kwan, sir? Ang height
E.
kay sa half?
Asa ni nga part?
Sa E, sir, sa 1.5 dapit.
Ay 1. Ngano 1.5 times 1 cube kani imong pangatana? Or
Kana, sir.
wait. Okay. Dalaga akong PC no. So, kaning 1 dire. Mo ni mong pangutana?
Dara, sir.
Okay.
Ang
Kay 1 meter daw ni. No? Ang shape din niya ana is 1.5 daw siya kalapda. So imagine 3D ni siya. Dapat siya to 1 meter. So kibali, if ato ning i-2D, nana daw ang porma sa imuhang this is not drawn to scale, pero this is 1.5 daw kuno. This is 1 meter. So in trying to get the moment of inertia, always gyud ang naka-cube ang imong depth. Kibali ang kani imong height diri or kani imong depth diri, mao nang imong i-cube. Mao nang naka-cube is ang 1, dili ang 1.5. Again, always remember that. Pero if magbali na po siya, kapalibutang ta, bali na sa anira. So ana, this is 1.5, this is 1. So may tabuan na siya, that would be 1 1.5 cube over 12. So kibali kung unsa ni ang panaog or unsa ni ang height mo na ang imong i-cube mo na ang naka-cube always. 1 meter is kani, 1 meter. Diri ram daw ang shape taman. Kani ram natong gina-consider kaning na-hinge. Okay ba?
Sige sir, sige sir.
Hinay-hinaya na lang sabot. So we have 3 or 4 problems left before tamo man. So maybe duwa na lang siguro kay murag molapas na ta sa time. I-appeal na lang siguro nako sa recording, no. Okay, basig. Pero ko ka pa niya appeal. Continue na ba ta? Okay na? Or okay ra? Yes, okay. Let's continue. Although dam problem ni siya, it's different from our dam topic, no? A 30 long dam retains, so 30. So imagine, no, it's hard for me to draw 3D sa mut na ina ni gamit. Paano na siya dito, no? That's 30 meters daw yang kalap doon dito. So imagine nga inana ang dam, then na siya tubig. As shown in the figure, find the total resultant force acting on the dam and the location of the center of pressure from the bottom. So kibali bottom na sad ang ginapangita. So first is find the total resultant force, or ang force gid class is always gaak sa perpendicular sa plane. So unsay pasabot perpendicular sa plane? If inana ang imong plane, nara siya gaak perpendicular 90 degrees. If inani ang imong plane, siyempre gahigda po na imong force. So, mao nang naay resultant force ang tawag, no? So nana siya x and y component but wala man nagipangita. So di na to siya problemaon. So for this problem, first na to pangitaon is the force daw, PCG area. Now let's try to solve. P is 9.81 multiplied by kami ni tara 9 meters daw kuno ni. So unsa may tunga sa 9? 4.5. Now area is 9 multiplied by 30. And that is wrong. Anong wrong na? Because di man na siya mao ang imuhang dapat kani ang imong gi-consider ang gaslant dire. So nganong kana imong i-consider because dara man gaak ang tubig, no? So dara whole nga portion gaak ang tubig. So kana pod nga whole nga shape mao pod na imong kailangan pangitaan og pila man na ihang sukod diha. So kani magamit natong sukatuwa. We can create a triangle. Okay, we know that this is 9.5. We don't know this. This is unknown. And also we don't know this. But we have the angle. So unsa man ato ang gamiton sa soka, makabalo pa mo. Soka tuwa para makuha nato ang hypotenuse ani. Naman. So sine, cosine or tangent? Sine. No? Opposite og sa sine. So sine, no? So anong sine man? Because atong gipangit if magtangent ta, no? If magtangent ta diri, so unsa man ang tangent? Towa. So O ug A. Opposite daw sa angle. So opposite niya ug adjacent niya. If adjacent atong kwaon, si x ang ato or si x pareho man ni x. Si base ang atong makuha. But if magsota or so or sine opposite over hypotenuse or sa opposite over hypotenuse, unknown si hypotenuse, kabalo ta sa sine, kibali si opposite na apod, so makuha ra nato diretso ang niya. So alam niyo sine 60 is equals to opposite which is 9.5 over hypotenuse. So h is equals to 9.5. Ay, dili. Ano, 9.5 ni? 9 meters. Malibog ta sa mata na. Is 9 meters over 9 over sine 60. Pila man na? Nagano man di kinang-answer. Ayaw nang naka-square root. Pag ayara, pag kamo na mag-solve. 10.392. So, 10.392. So, 10.392 daw ni siya diri. So, mo na imong gamiton nga area. But always class, PCG, ang PCG will always respect sa imong H bar or kung pila man ang true vertical value, no? So, 4.5. Bala man nagahigda, tumbling pa man na siya diya. Basaon. Sara to'y true vertical kung asa ra to ang tunga, which is tunga sa 9, maura po ang mga gamiton dere. So, sakto na na. That is kanilang ang area nga tong times 30. 10 point, pila man. F is equals to, medyo dako ni. 13,763 kilonewtons. So that is our first answer. So next is the location daw sa bottom. So distance. So ang atuan ni is E eccentricity is equal to I over area Y bar. Now, kani class, inclined naman siya. So Y bar is not equals to your H bar. Aya ra to no, basta straight ang atuhang object or naka-vertical siya. Pero if mag-inclined na siya, dili na siya, equal ani. So Y bar is equals to H bar sine theta. So mo ng formula, no? So dali ra kani. Y bar is equals to 4.5 sine 60. So Y bar is equals to 3. Times 30. Tara, 30 long meter dam. So 30 daw yahang kalapdon padulong dagto. 3.464. Okay. 3.464. Sakto ba? Ay, 5.2. Lagi. Kaya dapat mas taas man siya. Ito ko erasure. 5.2. So, 5.2 meters. So, mao na ang iyahang Y bar nga distance. Karon ma-solve na nato sa eccentricity. So, I is equals to 30 multiplied by 10.392 cube over 12 over area, which is 30 times 392 by 10.392. So sorry, multiplied by Y bar, which is 5.2. Anong 30 times 10.392 cube, no? So unsa ang naka-cube, no? Kaning naka-slanting. So always gina kay mo man na kibali ang yahang depth. 1.73. 1.73. So E is equals to 1.73 meters. So kibali distance from the bottom daw. So diri na dapit, no? So Y na lang nato. Y bottom. So that is 10.392 half minus 1.73. Kibali tunga, no? Diri sa 10 minusan din natog eccentricity. So kani nga distance diri. And that would give us 3.466. So 3.467 meters gikan siya sa ubos. So medyo confusing but more practice makuha ni. I guess we'll just have one more example na lang kay gigutom. I guess din. Abot kay gigutom na pud mo. Sige, ni ba?
Ay, sir, akong question sir kay nganong sa force sir kay gigamit kay 4.5 sir, di ba triangular man na siya sir, dili kuan gamiton na sir 2/3
Dili ni siya triangular,
kay
no? Triangular lang ang iyahang ora siya let me explain be. There wa na tay space pero I'll try to erase this Bali, mura siya triangular, no? Pero, di ba paana man na dagto? Paana na dagto. So, paana. So, kibali, rectangular, ragyapon siya. No? Paana ang iyang forma? Kibali, kabag-on bitaw sa dam. Gets rin mo nga
murag,
nung
ang bali ang murag area of contact niya sir kay kuan man sa sir no rectangle ay murag dili siya
rectangle.
Yeah,
Dili
basa,
siya
basa.
triangle.
Okay,
Diba?
sir.
Imagine na nga
Yes,
murag ang dam 30 meters siya padulong dagto sa likod, no? Padulong dagto sa likod so may imagine nimo nga rectangular gaak ang force. Dili siya triangular.
Sabtan na sir. Thank you, sir.
Sige. Any other questions?
Ay sir nga no gigi-divide ang divide to ang concert 10.39 to.
Kay location from the bottom man daw. So kibali kabalo naman ta nga kaning gaslant diri no. Sorry daga na kay kuris-kuris. Kaning gaslant diri this is kaning distance diri sa taas padulong sa ubos this is 10.392. Now, ang gapangitaon man daw nato gikan sa di ba diri ang center of gravity, diri ang center of pressure. Matanta diri gaak ang force no. So ang giyang gipangita is location of the center of pressure from the bottom. So kibali gikan diri padulong diri sa ubos. So 10.392 divided by 2 or imong gihaf abot na ka sa tunga. Minusan na pud din imong eccentricity. So ang mabilin nga distance is kanina lang from center of pressure padulong sa bottom sa ato ang dam. So
Thank you sir.
okay. No problem. I hope medyo na sabtan. I thought i-multiply. Ang unsa ang i-multiply ang sa 2. Dili multiply sa 2. 4, 6, 1 half, yeah. 1 half saya. 1 half. Imo rang i-half. Kay tunga man. So 10.392 is the total distance. So if moadto ka sa tunga, so imong i-half. If imo i-times 2, may mo na siya 20. So taas na kayo no. Dili na siya mao ang nasa drawing. Okay, let's have another last problem or kibali last problem. Supposedly napay duha, so I'll just make that as an assignment. Supposedly taman man 9 pero tomorrow na lang, no? Kay para napoy uban time no mapugos sila nga mag-answer. Kay mo na ang ilang attendance. So if you notice wala ko nag-attendance karon no. So depende na sa uban if magpasa sila. So let's continue. So the isosceles triangle gate kani isosceles. So triangle na gid ni dayon siya, no? Triangle na daw dayon yang area of contact ani, no? Bisag padagto na siya pero yang gi-show diri nga yang porma ana sa ato ang 3D is naka-triangle. So triangle na compared sa ganina no nga i-explain niya nga pa 30 dagto so rectangular ang kibali ang force. Pero kani is triangular na daw gyud ang object. So the isosceles triangle gate kibali na siya nga triangle shown in the figure is hinged at A and weighs 1,500 newtons. So what is the total hydrostatic force acting on one side of the gate in kilonewton? So let's try to solve this. F is equals to PCG area. So let's try to get H bar first, no? H bar, oil man din po gido. H bar, para isa-isaw na to kuha. H bar is the distance sa surface adulong sa center respecting true vertical, no? Always true vertical. So that is 3.5 plus half sa 2 meters. So that is 1 meter. So H bar, mo ang difference ni Y bar ug ni H bar ha. Si H bar always gina siya sa true vertical. So 3.5 plus 1, that is 4.5 meters. Now, ito ang area. Tagsa-tagsaw na to. Area is 1/2 1 multiplied by wala data kabalo. 1 multiplied by kung pila man ni siya. Dere again balik na pud tagso ka towa. Okay. 2 meters dire. So same ra ganina no, sine ra gyapon natong gamiton. So in order to get the hypotenuse, sine 50 is equals to opposite over hypotenuse, or hypotenuse is equals to opposite, which is 2 over sine 50. Pila man na? 2 over sine 50. 2.61. Okay. H is equals to 2.61. So 1 multiplied by 2.61. Mo nang area, and that would give us, pila pala ko calculate. (1.31). So 1.31 meter squared. So makuha na to. F is equals to 9.81 multiplied by 0.83 because na specific gravity ang oil, multiplied by the center of gravity or H bar. So this is 4.5 meters multiplied by the area, which is 1.31. And F would give you pila? 4 Very ko na si Pet. Supposedly, okay. Naisipit gamay din no. This is respecting true vertical, pero nag-assume ko nga rectangular ang ato ang object. Pero this is triangular. True vertical lagi siya, pero ga-respect gyapon sa orientate or sa imuhang shape. So this is triangular man. Same ganina, di ba? 2/3, 1/3. So diri ang base. So this is 1/3. So 1/3 sa ato ang 2.61. 1/3. 1/3. 1/3 sa 2.61. That would give us 0.87. So 0.87. 3.5 times 0.87. So 4.37 raday ang H bar. Sorry, my false. No? Nalimtan ako. So 4.37. So again, do the same pero 4.37 lang ang value sa ato ang H bar. So 4.37. Ilan na? 9.81. Lako. Basig 9,810 ang imong gamit ana.
Sir, asa kay kag 0.87, sir?
Kuan, 1/3 sa 2.61. Kibali sa orientation na po na sa triangle, no? Triangle mong gud ni. So kibali mura ra tag nag-assume ganina nga inana ano. True vertical siya, so naay triangle diri ana. So iha daw ang distance gikan sa surface padulong sa diri. And this is 3.5. Kani lang siya ga higda siya no, pero in considering H bar, always man gid consider the true vertical. So you know this is 2.61. So kani This is 3.5 plus kanina no gikan sa center of gravity kani nga distance, that is 1/3 of 2.61, and that would give you 4.37, or kani is equals to 0.87. Mo nang 0.87.
Sir, nganong dili kwaon ang sin 50 sa 3.5, sir?
Ha?
Nganong dili kwaon ang sin 50 sa 3.5? Parehas anang sa kanang 0.87, sir.
0.87. Nganong dili kwaon ang katong Y bar? Unsay pasabot?
Ay, yes, sir. Kanang hypotenuse sa kanang 3.5 lugar, sir.
3.5. Ay, wala man diri ang kuan, wala man diri ang object. Kibali ang object nara man diri nag-start to.
Okay, sir.
3.7. I mean sa 3.7. After 3.5, nara siya diri sa hinge no, naka-hinge na siya diri. Kibali murag in real life, murag naataw tay ga simento kibali ni, so wala ni nimo gi-consider no, kay atong gapangitaon ra is kaning diri nga force no, nga ga-act sa butang ta, pwede man gud na nga rectangular ya. And diri din is paana na din ang gate sa ubos no. Paana. So na daw hinge diri nga mag-abri-abri, so kibali mag-abri-abri na siya sa ubos. So I hope you can imagine no, I can't really draw 3D. Pero inan
Thank you, sir.
9.81 times 0.83 divided by Hello. Sayop ni sub. Hindi. Ang subok ay 2/3 yung gigamit. It should be 1/3 no. 1/3. So yeah, that is the final answer. 46.6. 6 kilonewton. So that is our final example. Okay, marag 8:40 na po. So I'll send to you the PowerPoint karon no. I'll just erase the annotation. So naay duha ka assignment kani and also kani, no? And the rest is ako ning i-recording if makaya pa nako karon nga adlaw. So kibali kanin yung assignment no? The sample problem kani duha. Yes, question. Kisa to nag-raise yung hand or nag-chat. Wala. Yes. Please speak.
When daw ang deadline, sir?
Ano, dili karon. Tomorrow. Tomorrow until 12 noon. So tagaanta mag 12 noon no? So at least makarest pa mo.
Asa
Pero-
8?
Yeah. Ipasa is for class reps, di ba natay katong Google Drive. Please create another folder nga ibutang nagto seatwork number 2, no? I'll just leave sa class rep. So seatwork number 2, tapos same ra gyapon og file name no, katong family name underscore first name underscore seatwork number 2. So inana ang ako na ni sulat dire. Family name underscore first name underscores number 2 pa man siguro tani nga seatwork. So seatwork number 2. Okay. I'll send this karon para di na ako malimutan. Wait before we go. Okay, next.
Sir, asa ging seatwork ato, sir?
Makita ra nimo sa pag-open karon, dai duha ra man ka problem nga nabilin dagto. So katong mga duha ka nabilin nga problem. Bali after ani ato ang last problem mo. This is our